I guarantee, after watching this video you can make a public profile on Snapchat. First open the Snapchat application. Click on your profile photo in the top left corner. Click the settings icon. Scroll down, then click on My Contacts, change my contact settings to everyone. Go back to Settings, tap to Send Me Notification Settings, then change it to everyone. Go back to Settings, tap to View My Story Settings, then change to everyone. After that close and reopen your Snapchat. Click on your profile photo. Then scroll down. As you can see, there is now an option to create a public profile. Click and follow the steps. Now that your public profile is active, you can enjoy many features of it. Don't forget to check out my next video. If this tutorial doesn't work for you, please write in the comments your issue. I will try my best to help you. And I would really appreciate it if you would hit the like and subscribe button.